Today, initiative petitions for consideration for the general election ballot on November 2nd are due to the state by 5 p.m. It has been a record year in terms of the number of groups starting the process. To start the process, you file your initiative petition with the state, and it has to get approved as to form. The Attorney General's office looks at it, the state auditor will write a fiscal impact statement, and then the Secretary of State's office will write an official ballot title. There have been over 100 ballot initiatives that have gone through that initial process this year, but our office doesn't know how many of those ended up gathering signatures. We certainly do get some questions when folks are out in the community gathering signatures. A lot of citizens want to know how the process works, and so we do field questions all spring long.
Do you get questions from people that sign these things to find out if they were valid petitions or anything like that?
Sometimes we get questions from folks who want to figure out how to learn more and want to read the full text of the amendment, and we make sure all of that's available on our website. If you go onto our website, you can read the full text of the proposed changes, and you can also see who submitted the petition and get contact info for that group. So if you want to learn more, we try and offer a way to do that.
You signed the petition and want to take your name off.
If you signed an initiative petition and then learn more about it, realize it wasn't something that you wanted to sign, there is a process to take your name off the petition. Unfortunately, it has to be done before the initiative petition is submitted. So we've gotten that question throughout the spring, and some individuals have submitted that. You have to send a notarized letter to the Secretary of State's office stating which petition you signed, the information that you listed, such as your name and address, and letting us know you would like your name to be removed, and you need to get that notarized and sent in. So today is May 2nd, and in the Missouri Constitution, the initiative petitions are due today at 5 p.m. At this point, our office takes them and sends them to the 116 local election authorities in Missouri, and they're each charged with verifying the signatures from all those petitions. So they're going to check those signatures, make sure it's a valid registered voter, and make sure they were signing for the correct congressional district. Once they do that process, they're going to send them all back to our office, and we'll add up the grand total for each petition. We're charged under state law with issuing a certificate of sufficiency for each petition by August 3rd. So we'll know by early August which of these have made the ballot. This is a great resource that we have on the internet. It's primarily designed for citizens who are interested in submitting an initiative petition to the state, but it's a good resource for the media or any citizens who have questions about the process and how it works.
This is Earl Glenn reporting for Ballotpedia.